Is your external component the VirtualBox SVGA-86.dll not found? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I'm here to help you re-establish Oracle links. While preparing the manual steps for VirtualBox SVGA-86, check for an official tool to assist with background synchronization. This is the VirtualBox SVGA-86, the 32-bit x86 version of the VirtualBox SVGA graphics driver for guest Windows systems. It manages the hardware-accelerated 3D rendering for 32-bit guest environments. If corrupted in the guest OS, the virtual desktop will be stuck at 800x600 resolution, and the auto-resize feature will fail. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. VirtualBox SVGA-x86 is distributed specifically with Oracle and should never be downloaded as a standalone file. Reinstall the latest official version of Oracle to restore this dependency correctly through the official installer. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered VirtualBox SVGA-86 component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. Since that didn't resolve it, let's pivot to step 3 to address the root cause directly. If you need to pause the video to get your workspace ready, take your time. Since the restart failed to clear the diagnostic error, we'll manually refresh the system counter-manifests. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodc_r, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance DLLs rely on accurate registry indexing to function. This step wipes the existing counter registration and forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the diagnostic manifests. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. Warning: VirtualBox SVGA-86. DLL missing error is often a symptom of a larger issue that a simple manual download will never be able to fully resolve. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. For users impacted by missing library references, the repair tool linked below provides general background information on VirtualBox SVGA-86. To keep your workstation running with a reliable configuration and ensure VirtualBox SVGA-86 remains stable, subscribe to our channel and like this video.